Alright, so these are my notebooks in Google Keep. I have an EDCI 270 specifically for this class, for any notes that I need. I've got an important people one, stuff about legislation, information about the Pride Parade and when that began, information about the Stonewall Inn riots, and then some information from a gay rights history timeline, which I think is really important. I also, my important person that I have in there so far is Harvey Milk. I have clipped this website, and here's a little note that I have. Here's the picture. I've got some little notes and highlights already in there. And then another notebook that I have for more personal use is one where there's lists of things that I need to do. And it is organized like what I need to do for my dog specifically, what I need to do overall this week, some self-care tips for myself, what homework needs done, and what needs done around the house. The way that I clipped this article and got all the highlights and little notes in there was I have an extender, web paint, and I did that to do like the little notes and all of that. But I also have this other extender that is Flash Use Clipper, and I clipped it in from that, and that's all.